Meaning of lowlights.
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 Lowlights. The term lowlights is often used in the context of hair coloring and refers to the process of adding darker tones or shades to the hair. This technique is usually used to create depth, dimension and contrast in hair that has been previously lightened or highlighted. Essentially, lowlights are the opposite of highlights, which involve adding lighter shades to the hair. In a broader sense, the term lowlights can also refer to any elements or features that are considered unimportant, undesirable, or negative in a particular context.